how to fix Ethernet connected but no access to internet problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your settings and then go to network and internet. After that, go to Ethernet. Now, in this DNS server assignment, simply click on edit. Now, drag down this automatic DHCP button and then select manual. Turn on IPv4 and then enter your preferred DNS and also your alternate DNS and simply save it. So this should fix your problem, or if you need more help, simply go to help with Ethernet here and then run your internet speed test. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.